Hello and welcome to my channel. If you know these 15 words, your English level is amazing at A1 and A2 levels. I start with the easier ones and they gradually become more difficult. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, happy. Happy. Happy is an adjective. It means feeling or showing pleasure, or it means pleased. For example, a happy family, or you don't look very happy today. Number 2, experience. Experience. Experience is a noun. It means the knowledge and skill that you have gained through doing something for a period of time. For example, we traveled to India last year. It was a good experience. Number 3, remember. Remember. Remember is a verb. It means to have or keep an image in your memory of an event, a person, or a place from the past. For example, I don't remember my first day at school. I don't remember my first day at school. Number 4, understand. Understand. Understand is a verb. It means to know or realize the meaning of words, a language, or what somebody says. For example, can you understand French? Or do you understand the instructions? Number 5, improve. Improve. Improve is a verb. It means to become better than before. To become better than before. For example, things are improving every day. It means things are getting better every day. I would be very thankful if you subscribe, share, or give me a thumbs up. Your support makes me more energetic to continue. Now let's continue. Number 6, decide. Decide. Decide is a verb. It means to think carefully about the different possibilities that are available and choose one of them. For example, it's up to you to decide, or I can't tell you what to do. You'll have to decide for yourself. Number 7, excited. Excited is an adjective. It means feeling or showing happiness. For example, staff got excited when they heard they were getting a bonus. Number 8, believe. Believe. Believe is a verb. It means to feel certain that something is true or that somebody is telling you the truth. For example, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Number 9, discover. Discover. Discover is a verb. Discover something means to be the first person to become aware that a particular place or thing exists. For example, scientists around the world are working to discover a cure for AIDS. Number 10, wish. Wish. Wish is a verb. It means to want something to happen or to be true even though it is unlikely or impossible. It is not usually used in the present progressive tense. For example, we don't say I'm wishing. It's wrong. For example, I wish I was taller, or I wish I were taller. Number 11, dream. Dream. As a noun, it means a series of images, events, and feelings that happen in your mind while you are asleep. For example, I had a really strange dream last night. As a verb, it means a wish to have or be something, especially one that seems difficult to get. For example, her lifelong dream was to be a famous writer. Number 12, goal. Goal. Goal is a noun. It means something that you hope to achieve or aim. For example, to achieve or reach a goal, my job is to help businesses meet their goals. Number 13, opportunity or opportunity. It's a noun. It means chance. For example, don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. Another example, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my parents for their support. Number 14, succeed. Succeed. Succeed is a verb. It means to achieve something that you have been trying to do or get. For example, our plan succeeded. Our plan succeeded. Number 15, knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge is a noun. It means the information, understanding, and the skills that you gain through education or experience. For example, scientific knowledge or technical knowledge and skills. Or it will be an opportunity to gain knowledge and experience. I appreciate if you subscribe, share, or give me a thumbs up. Your support makes me more energetic and motivated to continue. Watch my favorite playlist if you like this video. Goodbye and take care.